Hi sharks, can you consume refined oil or sugar in front of us?
Yeah, it looked very disgusting if you actually consume this and this. But when big brands like Cadbury and Amul and your Hershey actually add these raw material in your chocolates and chips, you were eating very fantastically and you were happy to eat. So, our brand,
The Nutri Choco.
it is
A brand with revolution. The revolution of chocolate to make it more emphasizedly, to make it more nutritious and by adding cocoa powder but replacing it with cacao powder which doesn't contain any refined sugars and adding natural extracts from the of sugar by adding maple syrup, jaggery, dates and stevia, etc.
if we compare to the big brands like Cadbury, it actually contains 45% of the sugar, and it also contains, and even in the 5-star, it actually contains 25% of the sugar, and rest of the material were refinery oil. So are the company actually befooling you? Or actually they are providing you chocolate, or actually providing you refinery oil, the bunch of actually the products like chocolates, are you actually wasting your money in the brands?
Yeah, of course, because it is a fool, making you fool to have this, consuming it regularly. This is contains an addictive consume which destroy your health from inside.
Even because of this, the India is becoming diabetic. India is according to the searches, India is becoming more diabetic country in all. India is the first diabetic country. क्या बोलना था?
But in our brand, we are available in our website named www.nutricoco.com.
We are actually also available on the e-commerce websites like Big Basket, Amazon, etc.
We are also available in retail stores like Vishal Megamart, D-Mart, etc.
Okay, fine. Can I pose a few questions?
Yes.
The first question that comes to my mind is, I was just, if I'm not wrong, you were like Nutri Coco.
Yeah.
If I could see, it's Nutri Choco.
But we.
Am I right?
It's right.
What
But
should I say? Is it Nutri Choco or Nutri Coco?
You can spell it both the way.
How should we pronounce that? Okay, besides Nutri Coco, you want to that? Fine. Where are you collecting your beans from?
We are collecting our beans from Assam. The producer tea stalls, and it is the natural taste of chocolate is more bitter than coffee. But in India, more than 110 brands are making it adding sugars and refined oils to make it more sugary content.
Okay. So you are actually started a revolution against sugar,
Yes.
right? So one question that comes to my mind, it contains jaggery, as you said.
Yes.
So-
in most of the products.
What do you say? Jaggery, doesn't it contain any sugar?
It is a natural product of sugar which doesn't harm your body
But sugar can harm our body.
because
Nothing can be more natural than that.
yes, jaggery is a natural product which can we can replace white sugar with jaggery and stevia. We can also add maple syrup in our chocolates.
When it comes to stevia leaves, have you researched on stevia leaves? And would you be actually importing stevia leaves from somewhere? They are quite expensive if I am not wrong.
Yes, sir.
that's why only we want your expertise. We want.
You want our expertise.
Yeah.
So see, owing to the shortage of time, I would be only investing in your brand. But when it comes to expertise and investing my time in your product, I think it will be a waste for me because I want profit at the end of the day. So
Yeah, but we are profitable. We are actually 2 lakh subscribers on Instagram and
2
YouTube.
lakh subscribers on Instagram.
95% of cacao powder contains in our Nutri Choco.
Cacao.
Yes.
You want to ask something, ma'am? Anything that comes to your mind? Fine. So it seems very lucrative. The chocolate. Can I taste it? So this is Nutri Choco or Coco.
You can spell it both the way.
Fine. So this is the Sorry. So this is the Coco. At the end of the day, the branding that the company has done is actually purely me. Fine. So we made our utmost efforts to learn it as Nimri Coco, but eventually it turns out to be there.
Nice.
Fine. Yeah, fine, but still, I suppose with the way organic industry is, is expanding itself. So this is certainly very lucrative. People who are not able to consume such tasty products because of the sugary content in the palm oil that they contain.
Yes, sir.
So this is quite hazardous for them. Even the kids, people gift the kids these days, irrespective of the kind of hazardous ingredients that it contains.
Yes, sir.
I think your brand is quite. It has a future, I suppose. Thank you very much, Pratap, Rasnayak, Gorika.
Thank
That was excellent. Thank you. Good job. Happy birthday. Some more. That was very nice.